Anil Miglani, the director of Angel India CAD/CAM Private Limited. I just want to tell you, as you have seen where we are now, and I want to tell you we have started our journey a long back, around 17 years before, with a very small room where we have taken office and with the one staff only. Today, now you can see we have more than 95 people are working for us, and at present we are selling a number of products, whereas we have started with just a vinyl cutting plotter. That was in a very a value of somewhere around 50,000 products, but now whereas we are dealing nowadays 5 crore rupees on a machines over here. We are giving a complete solution to the signage industries, as well as we are providing the full solution to sheet metal industries today. We have a number of products like the Fibre Laser Cutting Machine, laser marking machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, UV printers. Besides this, we are dealing with the CNC Routers, and many more products are also in our kitty. When some customer come to us for any solution, we are here to provide him, and we are providing them. Because of this, our company is growing really like anything, and our customers are quite happy with us, and our team is also very happy. They are very dedicated, not only towards the company, they are also supporting every customers are there. So this is the journey we have done here from scratch. We have started this one somewhere around 17 years before, and now we have 14 offices all over India, and with a good turnovers we are doing it, and we are expecting that we will be almost double the next year.